Hello everyone. Today I will show you the different types of angles in this model. This is a model of paper cutting. You see here the different types of angles is there. Here it starts from 0, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree, 90 degree, 100, 110 degree, 120 degree, 130 degree, 140 degree, 150 degree, 160 degree, 170 degree, 180 degree, 190 degree, 200 degree, 210 degree, 220 degree, 230 degree, 240 degree, 250 degree, 260 degree, 270 degree, 280 degree, 290 degree, 200, 300, 310 degree, 320, 330, 340, 350, and this is 360, that is complete angle, right? I'll show you the different types of angles. We know that there are three types of angles. The angle between 0 degree and 90 degree is known as acute angle. The angle between 90 degree and greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it is known as obtuse angle. The angle between 180 degree but less than 360 degree, it is known as a reflex angle, right? I will show you the different types of angles in this model, right? Here you see this is 0 degree and this is 90 degree. The angle between 0 degree and 90 degree is known as acute angle. Here you see this is the angle of 20 degree, therefore it is an acute angle. If we increase this angle, here you see we are increasing this angle. See, this is an angle of 30 degree, right? And it is also known as an acute angle. If we increase this angle more, here you see, increasing this angle. This is angle of 40 degree, right? This angle of 40 degree, and this is also known as an acute angle because this is less than 90 degree. If we increase this angle once again, when getting an angle of 50 degree, and this is also known as an acute angle, right? If you want to increase this angle once again, we are increasing this angle once again, and we are getting an angle less than 90, that is an acute angle. Here we are increasing this angle once again. As you see, this is an angle of 60 degree, right? This angle of 60 degree, and it is also known as acute angle because this is less than 90 degree. Now if you want to increase this angle more, then what you are getting, you see here, you are getting an angle of 70 degree. Here you see, you are getting an angle of 70 degree, and this is also an acute angle. Now if you want to increase this angle once again, this angle of 80 degree, and it is also known as an acute angle. And if you increase this angle once again, you see here, this is an angle exactly 90 degree, and this is known as right angle, right? This is exactly 90 degree. See here, this is 90 degree, therefore it is known as a right angle, right? The angle between 90 degree and 180 degree is known as an obtuse angle, right? Here you see, if you increase this angle once again, see, this angle is 100 degree, therefore the angle between 90 and 180 is known as an obtuse angle, therefore it is an obtuse angle. If you increase this angle more, it is 110 degree. Here you see, it is 110 degree, and it is also an obtuse angle. If you increase this angle more, then you are getting an angle of 120 degree, right? Therefore this is also known as an obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 but less than 180. If you increase this angle once again, then you are getting an angle of 130 degree, and you see that this is also an obtuse angle, right? If you increase this angle once again, then you will get an angle of 140 degree, you see here, and this is also known as an obtuse angle. The angle between 90 and 180 degree is an obtuse angle. Now if you want to increase this angle more, it is 140 degree, you see, this is 150 degree, right? And it is also an obtuse angle. If you increase this angle more, you are getting an angle of 160 degree, and it is also an obtuse angle, right? If you increase the angle more, if you are increasing this angle more, then you are getting an angle of 170 degree, and it is also an obtuse angle. Now if you increase this angle, you are getting an angle of 180 degree. You see here, this is an angle of 180 degree, right? And therefore you say this as straight angle. 180 degree is known as an straight angle. and the angle between 180 degree but less than 360 degree is known as reflex angle. Now we will get a reflex angle if we increase this angle, right? We are increasing this angle and we are getting an angle of 190 degree. You see here, we are getting an angle of 190 degree, and that means 190 degree means it is an reflex angle, right? Once again, if we increase this angle, we are getting an angle of 200 degree, and it is also known as a reflex angle. You see here, this is 200 degree, therefore it is a reflex angle. If we increase this angle more, then we are getting an angle of 210 degree, and it is also a reflex angle. If we increase this angle more, then we are getting an angle of 220 degree, and it is also known as a reflex angle. Again, we are increasing this angle when getting an angle of 230 degree, and it is also known as reflex angle. Again, if increasing this angle, we are getting an angle of 240 degree. It is also an angle of reflex angle. Again, if we increase this angle, we are getting an angle of 250 degree, and it is also a reflex angle. If we increase this angle, we are getting a 360 degree, and it is also an angle of reflex angle. Again, we are increasing, it is 270 degree, it is also an angle of reflex angle. Again, we are increasing this angle, it is 280 degree. Here you see, when increase this angle and we are getting an angle of 280 degree, therefore it is also a reflex angle. Again, we are increasing this angle and we are getting an angle of 290 degree, therefore it is also known as a reflex angle. Again, we are increasing this angle and we are getting an angle of 300 degree, and it is also known as a reflex angle. That means the angle between 180 but less than 360 is known as reflex angle. 310 degree. Here you see, we are increasing this angle as 310 degree, and it is also known as a reflex angle. If we increase this angle once again, we are getting an angle of 320 degree. Here you see, this is 320 degree, and it is a reflex angle once again. If we increase this angle once again, then we are getting an angle of 320 degree. Here you see, this is 330 degree, and it is also known as a reflex angle. And if we increase this angle more, then we are getting an angle of 340 degree. Here see, this is 340 degree. See, this is 340 degree, and therefore it is known as a reflex angle. And if we increase this angle more, then we are getting an angle of 350 degree. You see here, we are getting an angle of 350 degree, right? We are getting an angle of 350 degree, therefore it is also known as a reflex angle. And if we increase this angle more, we are getting an angle of 360 degree. Here you see, that is, we are getting an angle of complete angle, and this is 360 degree, right? Now we will find the difference of angles. We know that the angle between 0 degree and 90 degree is acute angle. The angle between the angle greater than 0 but less than 90 degree is known as an acute angle. The angle between 90 degree greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is obtuse angle, and the angle between greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is known as reflex angle. And the angle in which we get the angle of 90 degree, we get here angle as 90 degree, and the state this 180 degree, it is a straight angle, right? Dear friends, we divided this angle into three parts, or three types of angles is there. One is acute angle. Acute angle is the angle should be greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, and if it is 90 degree, it is a right angle. And the angle between greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, it is known as obtuse angle. And if it is 180 degree, it is known as a straight angle. And if the angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, it is known as reflex angle. And the angle of 360 degree is known as a complete angle, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.